Welcome to Gulf Middle School parents and students. I'm really glad to introduce myself. My name is Wes Moreland, principal here at Gulf Middle. Obviously, I want to thank you right off for taking the time and opportunity to take a look at our school and consider us as one of your choices for middle school. Gulf Middle itself opened its doors in 1982. We have a long history of academic success and strength in building our community. Today's video, of course, is designed to give you a look at a day in the life here at Gulf Middle School. So you know what? Let's take some time and go on in.
Hey, welcome. It is so cold out there. I am so glad we're an inside school. We don't have to worry about the weather as soon as you get into the building. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do a tour, a day in the life of. We're going to hit some academic classes. Every student in Gulf Middle gets a reading, a math, a social studies, a science, and a language arts class. And we're going to go see some of those. Let's go now. I think Mrs. Reyes is teaching math.
Good morning, sixth graders. Welcome to Gulf Middle. So I know that all of you are very excited and that you might have some questions about how we operate at Gulf Middle when you first come to sixth grade. Yes, Miss Jones, go ahead.
Will we have math class every day?
Yes, absolutely, and I'm so glad that you asked. Math is a core subject and it's double block, which means that you will have math every single day. Yes, Miss Clark.
What materials will we need to bring in order to be prepared for class?
Well, it's very important to come prepared to your math class. To start, you will get your math textbook, which the school will provide for you. Apart from that, you need loose leaf paper, hopefully a 1-inch binder. Very important, a pencil. Without a pencil, you won't be able to operate in class. So being prepared is the key to success. Yes, Miss Kelly.
I love math. Are there any math clubs I can join as a student at Gulf Middle School?
Oh, I am so glad that you asked because Gulf Middle has an amazing math club which is run by Miss Reyes. The students, they compete district-wide and statewide and they have been extremely successful. It's a lot of fun and it's a great opportunity for students to expand the mathematical knowledge.
I can't wait.
Miss Kane, you have a question.
Will we have homework?
Homework is the daily practice. In math, your teachers will assign you homework every day. It's very important that you do your homework because it's the only way for you to practice what you learn every day in class. Mr. Jackson, you have a question.
Yes, ma'am, I do. How will I know what math class I am in when I start sixth grade?
Well, in sixth grade, there are 2 math courses, and the school will accommodate you the best way they can according to your performance and previous abilities. Yes, Miss Bartolomeo.
Wow, I feel a bit more prepared now and less nervous about starting 6th grade, and I know Gulf Middle is the right school for me.
Oh, that is so awesome that you feel that way. We can truly not wait to have you here and make you strive in your mathematical adventure because math is delicious.
All right, we can't wait to see you next year.
Yeah.
That was a great lesson, Mrs. Reyes, but whew, am I tired from learning. Let's go ahead and hit some electives. Mr. Toadvine, can you take us to the elective hallway and see what we're doing for fun today?
Thank you, Miss Winfield.
Hola!
Hola, Senora Nelson. This is Senora Nelson. She's a grammatical teacher. Teaches Spanish here at Gulf.
Bueno, hasta luego.
Hasta luego. We have a range of electives here at Gulf Middle School. We have PE, drama, music, culinary arts, art class, and a whole lot more to pick from. But now, we gotta get back to class.
Hi, Mrs. Baird. Welcome back to class. We're so glad you're here. Okay, class, now that you've had some time to submit your questions to Flipgrid, let's go over them. The first question asks, will we have language arts every day? Yes, here at Gulf, All students attend language arts class every day regardless of level. This ensures that students are getting as much ELA instruction as they need. All of us in the ELA department love working with our students every day. Mr. Ford, you asked what opportunities there are for extra help. Well, here at Golf, our team is composed of the most kind and helpful individuals you'll ever meet. We're always happy to do whatever it takes to help our students grow, and we fit our instruction for each individual's unique needs. However, should you still find that you need additional practice and instruction, we also offer tutoring sessions. Mrs. Stevens, you asked, what are some fun activities we'll do in language arts? Our teachers at Golf work really hard to make sure that our lessons are engaging and fun. Some of the activities you might take part in include escape rooms, writing parodies, reading and reciting plays, and tons of exciting review games, such as my personal favorite, Vocabulary Heads Up. Mr. Bailey, you asked, will we be writing essays? Yes. Along with reading and analyzing fiction and nonfiction texts, writing is a large part of the language arts curriculum. Although our focus will be informational and argumentative writing, during your time here at Golf, you'll be exposed to a variety of writing techniques. You may work on memoirs, email etiquette, project proposals, resumes, and creative writing such as poetry and songs. We make sure that our students are well-rounded writers. That way, they're ready to apply their skills not only in their academic future, but in their everyday lives. Mrs. Ramos asked, what opportunities are there for ELA enrichment? As I mentioned, our teachers work to tailor their instruction for each unique student. This means there are plenty of in-class opportunities for enrichment for those students that have mastered the standard. This way, they can go above and beyond that skill. We also seek out and share scholarship opportunities and writing contests. Our students never cease to amaze us with their talent. Thank you for a wonderful class, everyone. Stay safe and have fun. See you tomorrow.
Welcome to Social Studies.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Social Studies, everyone. Today we would like to begin by going over some frequently asked questions. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, Ms. Webb.
What subjects do you teach?
Well, we follow the district guidelines. We teach 6th grade U.S. history, 7th grade civics, and 8th grade U.S. history also. Any other questions? Ms. Morse.
What are some ways you keep students engaged while maintaining social distance?
Oh, that's a good one. We love to use Kahoot, Quizlet Live, Nearpod, and interactive Google Slides to help keep students engaged, especially this year. Any other questions? Mr. Bowditch?
What types of engaging lessons have students participated in?
You know what? I'm glad you asked. And as a matter of fact, today is December 16th, and 247 years ago, the Boston Tea Party occurred. Let's go see what happened.
Hear ye, hear ye. To King George III and the members of the British Parliament, we here now protest Lord North's Tea Act, which established a monopoly over the tea trade. Because of this, many of our colonial tea merchants have suffered. We also protest that this act on tea was done without our consent and without the approval of our local assemblies. Due to this restriction of our rights as colonists, we, the sons and daughters of liberty, now dump this tea into the harbor to show our disapproval.
Good morning, kids. Today I want to do something a little special. We're going to have incoming 5th graders for the next school year, and I want to let them know what Learning Strategies class is like. So I'm going to ask you a couple questions. What does Learning Strategies look like here at Gulf Middle?
The class focuses on assignments you need help with.
You get to retake assessments and redo assignments.
You can also work on your organizational skills.
Awesome. So are all the Learning Strategies classes the same?
No, they are made out by grade level.
The class sizes are smaller than most core classes.
Kids, how do we decide if people need a Learning Strategies class?
All 6th grade students with an IEP will take learning strategies to help with transition up to middle school.
It can be reevaluated mid-year to see if you still need to remain in the Learning Strategies class.
So what can help students be successful here at Gulf Middle?
staying organized, and not being afraid to ask for help when you need it.
Coming to school every day and completing all your work.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Miss Puella, and I'm here with two of our 6th grade gifted students. This is Maya and Luke, and I'd like to ask them a question. Maya, how has being in the gifted program helped your transition to middle school?
Well, it's helped my transition because I'm mainly in most of my classes with the same people, so I don't have to meet a lot of new people, and it's just more, you're with the same people, so you don't have to worry about being scared to meet other people.
So you have all your core classes with the same group of kids, right? Nice. Hey, Luke, what has been your favorite lesson you've done so far this year?
I think my favorite lesson has been in history, when we did a American Revolution role play. I was George Washington, and we did a bunch of these activities.
Nice, so you got to lead the nation to victory, huh?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Bye. Hi, I'm here with two 7th grade gifted students. This is Julian and Maya, and they get their questions now. So, Julian, what is your favorite part about being in the gifted program?
My favorite part about being in the gifted program is that you're with the same group of kids each year. So you get to know them really well, and with the teachers, you get the same teachers, so they don't need to explain the expectations a lot because you already know them.
Okay, awesome. And Maya, what advice would you give to an incoming 6th grader?
I would say to never be afraid to ask questions for your teacher, because all they want to do is see you succeed, and they would never wish you to fail any of your assignments, and so more questions is always good.
Nice. All right, guys, thank you very much. Bye. Hi, this is Miss Puella, and I'm here with two of our 8th grade gifted students. This is Landon and Shannon, and I'm going to ask them a question. So, Landon, how has being in the gifted program helped prepare you for high school?
So, high school is going to be a really rigorous program, and the gifted program has taught me to work hard on my assignments, and even some of the teachers assign us high school assignments to prepare us more.
Awesome. And Shannon, what will you remember most about your years here at Gulf Middle?
Well, it's all really felt like a family. All of the kids in my class and all the teachers who have taught us a lot. They all just really helped us.
And you're going on 3 years with me, huh? Both of you. Yep. So I really get to know my students. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Welcome everyone to research. And I trust you've been studying for that exam. So, we're going to begin. I'm going to ask you questions, and you should know the answers. Here we go. Question number 1. What does reading class look like at Gulf Middle? Okay. Reading instruction is focused on achieving and enriching standards through a variety of print and digital resources. Question number 2. Are reading classes all the same? No. Some reading classes may be titled reading and others may be titled research or critical thinking. The title of the reading class depends on the FSA level and curriculum of the course. Question number 3. How is it decided which reading class you have to take? The reading class you take in middle school is dependent on your FSA ELA score. Question number 4. Do I have reading class every day? It depends. Students with a level 1 FSA ELA score will have intensive reading every day. Yes, every day. And then students with a level 2 to 5 FSA ELA score will have at minimum a reading class every other day. Question number 5. Is it possible to have more than one reading class on your schedule? It's similar to what he said, Maybe. I think some level 1 and level 2 students may be enrolled in multiple reading courses to help target and enhance their reading skills. Some other good tips in order to be successful here at Gulf Middle School. Stay organized with a print or digital planner. Make sure you have a pencil and earbuds for class. And turn in work on time. Awesome job, everyone. I am not surprised. It's obvious you all studied, and I cannot wait to see you next class. So you are dismissed, and just please make sure you push your chair in. Thank you so much. You all have a good day. Be safe. Here at Gulf Middle, we take pride with providing your child, our students, with the best possible education there is. Cannot wait to see you the first day of school.
All right, welcome everyone to 6th grade science this year.
Hey, is this 6th grade science?
Yes, sir. Please make sure you're on time next time.
I don't feel tardy.
We're gonna have so much fun this year learning about science and how the world around us and nature works. So does anyone have any questions?
Are we gonna do any cool experiments, like dry ice?
Yes, we do that in 8th grade science.
Teacher!
Yes?
Are we going to do any dissections like a frogs or rats?
Where'd you get that? Yes, we're gonna be dissecting, but we're gonna do that in life science.
Can we dissect these?
No, those are Mrs. Taylor's class pets. She's one of our 8th grade teachers.
Can we eat in class?
What's going on here? Those are for the moon phases in 6th grade science.
Do we get to use cool science equipment?
Of course.
Come to Gulf Middle, where science is fun!
NJHS is important for yourself and your community. It gives you an opportunity to help the people around you. The 5 pillars of NJHS are service, scholarship, leadership, character, and citizenship.
Last year at Gulf, we did a variety of different volunteer opportunities and fundraisers. One was Ice Bucket Challenge and signing our principal to raise money for the Gulf Coast Humane Society. And the other was volunteering at Homeless Heart Toy Drive.
We don't just accommodate for students at school, we also accommodate for the students who choose to use legal Yes, you'll have a ton of opportunities.
Service before self. It was a fun, full day of learning. But now it's the end of the day. I'm headed off to Run Club because that's what I like to do. But if running isn't your cup of tea, there are tons of other activities after school that you can participate in to connect with the students and the staff here at Gulf Middle. Mr. Toadvine is going to tell you all about those. See you later!
Thank you, Ms. Winfield. We do have a lot of clubs to choose from here at Gulf Middle School. We have National Junior Honor Society. We have Student Government, Builders Club. We have Book Battle, in which we've been the champs the last 3 years. We have Art Club, and we have Volunteer Club. Pretty much anything you can think of, we have an interest here for you at Gulf. Our intramurals are cross country, basketball, volleyball, track, soccer, tennis, and golf. But I've got to run right now because we got a friendly competition against the students, a dodgeball tournament that I can't wait to play in. So right now, I'm going to turn you back over to Mr. Moreland.
Hello again, students and parents. I hope you had a great time taking a look at our school and a day in the life here at Gulf. If you have any questions going forward, of course, we do have a link here in the description for the video. You're also, of course, always welcome to call the school with questions about what we can do for you. I hope you have a great time, and we really look forward to seeing you here in the fall.